Delhi's poor AQI. Can air purifiers help? As air pollution levels in Delhi skyrocket, more residents are turning to air purifiers. But the performance and quality of these devices can vary greatly, impacting the lives of users. The capital's severe air pollution has disrupted daily life, sending school and college students back to virtual classes, reminiscent of the COVID-19 lockdown. Professionals who can work from home do so, while gig workers and those with fewer protections face the daunting task of maintaining their routines, all while fearing potential health repercussions. Exercise routines have been halted, and graded response action plan stage 4 restrictions were implemented earlier this month. On November 18th, Dr. Shashi Tharoor, an Indian National Congress MP, highlighted Delhi's dire situation by posting a graphic on X showing it as the most polluted major city worldwide, sparking debate on whether it should remain India's capital. Journalist Haider Ali Khan noted the drastic impact of air pollution on visibility and health in Delhi, with residents experiencing symptoms such as coughing, sneezing, and burning eyes. Fellow journalist Jude Francis Weston described the perilous conditions on November 17th, with an AQI above 450 leading to dense smog and hazardous driving conditions. Even those who can afford to stay indoors rely on air purifiers to breathe easier, but do they really work? An effective air purifier uses a high-efficiency particulate air filter capable of removing 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. With winter approaching, thousands are investing in these devices to combat the toxic mix of Diwali firecracker fumes, agricultural stubble burning, and smog. However, it's crucial to note that not all air purifiers are created equal. Many smaller or low-cost models struggle against high pollution levels, often leaving users disappointed as they fail to reduce AQI, even after hours of operation. Air purifiers shine in closed spaces, especially in rooms with vulnerable individuals. But remember, they need regular maintenance and filter replacements to perform at their best. So, if you're relying on one, make sure it's up to the task. Air purifiers with high-efficiency particulate air filters and activated carbon filters can capture particles, bacteria, and even viruses. Outdoor pollutants easily enter homes through open windows, and while sealing windows can help, it can also trap indoor pollutants, worsening air quality. Indoor pollution from activities like cooking with gas stoves and using harsh cleaning chemicals is another significant issue. While air purifiers can help reduce indoor pollutants, they require frequent filter replacements, especially in highly polluted areas. An air purifier is effective only in the immediate area where it is placed. Using an air purifier indoors makes the outdoor pollution feel even worse when stepping outside. For Delhi residents, wearing masks outdoors has become common again. Stronger measures must be taken, and people call for greater government action to address the issue effectively.